Hi everyone, welcome to Goldfries, and in this video we have a look at the AIO coolers from Silverstone, which are the PF120 and the PF240. The PF120 retails at RM259 while the PF240 retails at RM369, but to what I know their price is going to change in January, probably up by quite a fair bit, but regardless, let's have a look at more detail on what these two coolers bring to you. Now, first thing that I like about this cooler will be the CPU block, of which is I like the design, simple, is of the Silverstone logo, and if you power it off, meaning if you don't like the LED, it is just a simple mirror finish and it looks great. Another thing I like about the CPU block is the way it's mounted. The mount, like when you're changing from AMD to Intel type of the mounting points, unlike, if you've used AIO coolers in the past, sometimes they get very difficult to swap because you need to unscrew them and change the whatever mount that they provide. But this one, the mount is toolless, so that you basically just slide it out and slide it in. And for the AMD mount, I'm very happy to see that it utilizes the AMD's AM4 brackets default mount, meaning that with whatever board you have, you need not remove that mount. It just clips onto it and you just tighten the screw. So I think that's great. Then there's the ARGB fan, of which I like too, not just because it's ARGB, but because I like the fan because it's silent and it has rubber paddings at the corners, which I think are great. And what this Silverstone did right, in my opinion, is that how the cables for the ARGB are able to be daisy chained, so that helps a lot. So you don't need a board with many ARGB headers. You just need one and they can link it up together as long as you know how to manage them. And then there's the external hub for you to, in case you are not you have a board that does not have this ARGB header, you can use the hub that comes with the coolers. And then now let's look at the performance. The PF120 performs very similarly to the AMD's Wraith Prism cooler, but in a much more silent manner. Now going to the PF240, the performance is even better, with the temperatures not even reaching the mid-70s. It hovers around 73 degrees Celsius at its peak. Now I've tested all of them at their maximum performance, meaning I maxed out all the RPM to know what's their best capability, and this is what I've got. All of them were using the thermal paste that came with the AIO. So overall, gold badge for these two units, the PF120 and the PF240. And alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.